Beautiful day out here in the country. Jimmy driving his first Burt.
What up? This thing's sweet. Love it.
Nice day for a little convertible ride.
Steal it. Garage.
That takes it. You got a leaker there. Yeah, you got a leaker.
You know what? I just got done telling the guy this. I said, it hasn't ran in 22 years, so even though nothing's, I just got done telling him this. Even though nothing's leaking right now, when you actually start driving this car,
yeah,
shit's gonna start leaking, stuff's gonna start going wrong.
64. There's Nathan pulling out his latest project.
I always hear that song in my head. They see me rolling.
They see you rolling. And here we got Mac with the raccoon. What's up, Rocky? Need to document this how it actually is. I'm trying to save these cars.
Yeah, real deal.
Thing is in the mud.
In the mud, you gotta lift it with a floor jack to get the tires high enough to hopefully turn them. And keep snatching it out until you rip the bumper off your truck.
Yeah, I know, right? It was dragging it out of the woods was the hard part. Oh yeah.
Hey, we out here, you know, towing this Lincoln out of this hole. The loser. It's convertible. I'm not so sure about the being restored, but that's fine. So that's next to our other Lincoln over here. Also, my future car is back in there. Car graveyard, which I'm gonna get. I'm not so sure how, but I'm gonna get it, and it's gonna be great. Can't see it. Anywho.
Alright, we're on our way to the Detroit Deviant shop. Got two of Nathan's Lincolns in tow here.
See if we can get a shot. You can't see it. Well, yes you can.